Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to get a custom mouse cursor. This has been requested a long time ago, but I haven't made a video on it, so I'll make a video now. So you're gonna go to DeviantArt and you're just gonna search up cursors. It could go to other websites, but I personally like this website. So you're just gonna scroll down, pick the one you like, and you're just gonna press on it. Now you see the download button, you're gonna press download. It might tell you to sign up, just sign up and that's it. I've already downloaded mine, so I won't download it again. So once you've downloaded it, you're gonna go into your files, downloads, and you're basically going to find your folder and you're going to extract here. I've already extracted mine, it's right here. So you're just basically gonna copy this and you're gonna go to your C drive, Windows, and then cursors, and you're basically just gonna paste it in here. So once you pasted it in, you're gonna go to your settings, devices, mouse, and then additional mouse settings, and then you're gonna go to pointers, and this is where you can actually pick your cursor. So you're gonna scroll down for each one of these and you're gonna double click them, and it will bring you to the cursor file, and you're basically just gonna pick the one you like and you're going to match the pictures with this. So normal select is basically like a left pointer, help select is help, working in background is this right here. As you can see, it looks the same. Busy is this. So you're basically just gonna go ahead and double click, pick the one you like, or double click it and it will apply. So once you've done all of these, you're gonna press apply and you're gonna press OK, and you're done. You've successfully have your own custom cursor now. Thank you.